Hey, Mr. Armstrong, Trent Tate here with Tameron Honda's Internet Department. Hey, first and foremost, thank you so much for your recent online interest. One of our all new Civic Type R's, have one in that new Aegean blue metallic color right here. It's the hottest color on the market right now. In this, it gives you those nice red accents, which is signature to that Type R edition. You're gonna get those nice Brembo brake pads. I mean, this vehicle is tuned for performance. The most performance-driven Honda to ever be released in North America. And as you can see, we've got one here. Not many dealers have one. This is a limited production run. It's a very fun car to drive. 3 different drive modes, manual transmission, turbocharged engine pushing over 300 horsepower. I can't wait to show it to you in person, Mr. Armstrong. Give me a call today, 205-504-2358. You can reach me there by phone or text. And I make you this promise, when you make it into Tameron Honda, you're gonna love the way you're treated.